We've also seen big news this week, Ollie, with regards to the Olympic Games and the future of what is really the highlight of, for many, the sporting calendar, or a 4-year cycle, if you like.
Absolutely, and they clung on for a while, David. You remember the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe saying that the Games would go ahead. They will, but it will be next year. Tokyo 2020, now Tokyo 2021. And the interesting news really is that Thomas Bach, the head of the International Olympic Committee, is saying that, you know, this is going to be like restructuring a jigsaw puzzle. Very, very difficult. He's also saying that it might not be restricted to the summer months. So who knows when we might see these Olympic Games happening. Of course, very stressful for athletes, but I think most of them were pleased that the ones that were going to happen this year were rescheduled.